The Art of Life is a local community benefit organization that started right here in the Central Valley to serve our community. And we exist to give hope to those impacted by cancer. We believe that everyone is in some way impacted by cancer. And while cancer is a word that no family wants to hear, Art of Life wants to be there for you and your family when you need it most. While we have some of the most state-of-the-art medical treatment to treat the physical body, the reality is that the cancer journey requires the treatment of the body, mind, and spirit. We must treat the whole person, and that's why the Art of Life exists. We walk alongside to ensure that no one ever walks alone. And our healing arts programs allow cancer survivors to feel a sense of connection with those who truly understand. It gives them the opportunity to express on canvas what maybe they can't put into words about that journey. And as a result of their artwork being toured all over the valley, it gives them purpose, even in their pain, to know that their story might help just one other person. While art has proven medically to have a tremendous impact on the body physiologically, the reality is that there is power in not just creating art, but in viewing art. And so the Art of Life Healing Arts programs have transformed from not just connecting survivors with local artists to create these beautiful works of art on canvas, but it has inspired a movement of hope to adopt 3 acres inside Woodward Park as an open-air art gallery to show off these works of art, to spread these messages of hope, and to create a sanctuary, a safe place where anyone can walk through and find hope, whether it be cancer or something else that they're going through. The Art of Life Healing Garden is a community effort, and so 3 years ago we broke ground on what would now become a place that's united by a cancer ribbon trail. And as you walk that trail, you will not only encounter works of art, but there are children's playscapes for families to engage and to enjoy the moment. There are areas of reflection to remember to sit and be still. There's musical playscapes where we can bring in the power of music. What this place does is it joins our community together on something that so deeply affects us all. And this garden is something that will be a legacy of hope in our community forever. Sometimes you just need to step away from the cancer environment, and you need to be able to look across the table at someone that can really say, I understand. And so Art of Life did not set out to become a nonprofit. We set out to meet an unmet need in this community. And so until a cure for cancer is found, Art of Life will exist to give hope.